Hi, this is Kevin King with Pinehurst Websites, and today I'm going to show you how to quickly go in and install the Dawn theme into your Shopify store. The Dawn theme is one of the new online store 2.0 themes, and I highly recommend getting one of the 2.0 themes because they're much quicker, optimized for mobile, and they have a lot of features built into them for Shopify's new online store 2.0 experience. So what you want to do is go to your admin. I've got a demo store right here. And from the navigation menu on the left-hand side, we're going to go to Online Store. And we're simply going to scroll down to, this is the current theme on this store is the debut. We're going to scroll down to the theme library. We're not going to use the add a theme. That's if you want to upload a theme or connect a theme like the Dawn theme from GitHub. You're going to go into free themes and explore free themes right here. You could go to all themes in the theme store, but this will just show you the free themes. And you'll see ones that are labeled with this green OS 2.0. That means it's Online Store 2.0. So Shopify has already released some free themes in that. So get one of these. But the one we're going to do is the Dawn theme. So you'll simply click on that. And all you need to do is click Add to Theme Library. And it's as easy as that. Then it's going to show up in your current themes. If you want to make this theme your published theme, you're going to have the option once it's completed downloading to make it public, the published theme, but you can start customizing it before it's even published, and you'll just click over here. So once that's done spinning and downloading the entire theme, you'll be able to make changes to it. And we'll go through on another video on how to set up the Dawn theme. But feel free to subscribe so you can see the latest videos on what is possible with Shopify, especially the new Shopify 2.0. Thanks for tuning in.